Hello friends, I am Dr. Urja Patel from LJ Institute of Applied Science. Today we are studying on the electrophilic substituent group, in which substituent group are commonly known as a functional group. In last video we have studied many electrophilic substitution on benzene. Now in this video we are studying on the substituent group and their classification. First, substituent group are classified in a two part. First is known as a activating group. This group is known as a ortho-para-directing as well as electron releasing as well as it is known as a electron donating. So what is activating group? A group which activate the aromatic ring for further substitution is called activating group. The activating group and another group is a deactivating group. This activating group is divided in sub three parts. First is known as a strongly activating group, second is known as a moderately activating group, and third is known as a weakly activating group. In strongly activating group, there is a amino group, secondary amine and phenolic OH group are part of strongly activating group. Methoxy, ethoxy or anilide, these are the group of moderately activating group. Methyl, ethyl or phenyl, these are commonly known as a alkyl group. They are a part of weakly activating group. Now the second category is a deactivating group. It is commonly known as a electron withdrawing group as well as it is known as a meta-directing group. A group which deactivate the aromatic ring for further substitution is known as a deactivating group. In deactivating group, nitro group, cyanide, carboxylic acid, sulfonylic acid, aldehyde and tertiary amine is a part of meta-directing as well as they are known as a electron withdrawing group. In these two categories we have not included the halogens. So for the halogens we are stated that the halogens are deactivating group but they are ortho-para-directing. This theory we will discuss later video. Now first we consider the orientation of this substituent group in the aromatic system. It is commonly known as a theory of orientation where any ortho-para directing group like methyl group give ortho-para product while any electron withdrawing group or NO2 group give always a meta product, not ortho-para. So first we start the methyl group, the orientation of methyl group in the benzene ring. When the methyl group is present on the benzene and we attack on the benzene for electrophilic substitution, the attack give alpha position give the 3 carbocation and these 3 carbocation are shown in the figure. Now we attack on the beta position. It is known as a para position. It is a give the another 3 carbocation and if we attack on the meta position we get the another 3 carbocation. So we get total 9 structure and we have denoted the structure from 1 to 9. From this structure number 1 and 4 they are more stable because the positive charge is accommodated by the carbon, this carbon containing electron releasing group, and while in meta position you can see that the positive charge is far away from the electron releasing group. So these 3 carbocation are unstable due to far distance of positive charge. In ortho-para directing, you can see that the positive charge is attached to that carbon which is attached to the electron releasing group, and due to electron releasing towards the electron deficient carbon, it gives stable carbocation, and due to this reason this methyl group is present in any aromatic compound, it gives the ortho-para product. Now we discuss the another theory of orientation of nitro group. Nitro group is known as a electron withdrawing group. When this nitro group present in aromatic compound, if we attack at ortho or para position, we get the 3 carbocation. In the ortho attack, you can see the 1 carbocation has a positive charge, and this carbon is attached to the electron withdrawing group. This carbon is already electron deficient due to the positive charge, and here this group is withdraw the electron from the benzene. Due to this reason, this structure is highly unstable in a ortho attack. And in para attack, you can also see that the positive charge accommodated by this carbon, and carbon is attached to the nitro group, and due to this withdrawing property of nitro group, this carbocation is highly unstable, so para attack is not possible in a presence of nitrobenzene. But while you can see that in meta attack you get the 3 another carbocation, and here you see from the above 3 structure, positive charge is low, is far away from the electron withdrawing group, and this positive charge is accommodated by the another carbon, and this carbon is far away from the electron withdrawing group. So these 3 carbocation are stable compared to ortho-para carbocation. So the nitro group for further electrophilic substitution give always meta product. Thank you.